Hi there, are you looking to keep your MEM documentation up to date? I'm going to show you how to do that in just 90 seconds. There are a number of PowerShell modules available, but I came across this one from Workplace Ninjas. If you go onto their GitHub page, you'll see all the details written by Thomas Kurth. There are a few prerequisites, but the results are great. You're going to get documentation for all your policies and everything you configured. Let's have a look. Begin, log into your PowerShell module, install the Microsoft Graph and the PS Word module. Then go ahead and install the Intune documentation. Set your execution policy to gain access and then invoke the documentation module itself to a location that you specify. Let's run this. The results are great. As you can see, you're going to get a great formatted document which gives you all the information about your environment. You've got your applications, everything that you set up, groups used to assign apps, app protection policies, etc. The real value in this for me is you've got the specific details that you've set, but you've also got the individual settings as well that you align against your different policies. That's your MEM environment documented in 90 seconds. Give it a go for yourself and let me know how you get on. Thanks very much.